So in this video, I will teach you kung paano ba mag-schedule ng post via LinkedIn. So, go to your profile, tapos dito sa activity, you will see create post. Click that one, then ilagay nyo yung content nyo dito. Then, kung halimbawa, photo yung i-upload yung graphic, add media. Tapos, kung gusto niyo namang maglagay ng mga documents, yung carousel, yung parang nagsa-slide-slide, dito kayo sa add document. So, yung pag-download nyo ng content niyan is naka-PDF. Para pag-upload nyo dyan is documents siya. Okay? Or, kung gusto nyo namang gumawa ng poll, you can use this one. Then, kung event, you're planning to host an event, ito yung i-click nyo. Then, after that, after nyo gumawa ng captions, then upload nyo na yung mga graphics, click nyo tong parang orasan na icon. Schedule for later. And then, it will show you this. Kung kailan nyo siya isi-schedule. And then, if you want to look into your schedule post, simply click this one, and it will direct you to schedule post. Then, after, simply click next and click schedule. Tapos, hindi tayo makapag-schedule dyan kasi wala tayong sinulat na content. So, yun lang.